Today on Designing Spaces, we're heading to Tampa, Florida, and teaming up with Tablo to learn how everyone can enjoy watching and recording TV for free, including shows from the most popular networks and live sports. Meet the Medina family.
My name is Lily.
And I'm Mauer.
And we have a 3-year-old Zane. We are originally from Miami. We moved here 3 years ago to the Tampa Bay area.
We did it through mid-COVID. So yeah, it was challenging, but definitely it was the perfect decision that we've ever made. Well, we typically wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. The little man is a clock. You know, we put some TV for him while we're getting everything ready, and then obviously take him to the daycare. We go to work, then come back from work.
I start getting food ready. Mauer likes to sit on the couch with Zane so I can get the food started, and they like to watch movies together.
You know, we're streamers. We don't get to see any live TV or anything like that, which is something that we miss, you know, live news, live sports. The other day I was at my brother-in-law's house. We were watching the Bucks game, and all of a sudden we paused the game. We went to go get some snacks, came back, we clicked play again. You know, we didn't miss the play, first of all, and then second of all, I asked him what device he had, and he said Tablo, which is great. I was like, okay, well, I'm interested. How do I get it?
I was intrigued and I looked online and I started noticing that they have some of the channels that I like to watch. One of them is Ion, since I am a crime junkie. So that is something that really brought my attention. And we are a big Cuban family and we like to spend time together on the weekends.
So now with Abuela and Abuelo coming over, you know, with the current setup, we don't have any Spanish channels that they can watch. So now with Tablo, we get to see them enjoy these, you know, all these Spanish channels, Telemundo, Univision, which is nice.
So we're looking forward to setting it up right away.
Tablo Ambassador Justin Hyatt is on his way to the Medina's home to help get them set up so they can start enjoying their favorite shows right away.
Hey, Lily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming over and helping us set this up.
I'm excited. You ready to do this?
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Okay, Lily, Mauer, we got everything out of the box. So let me explain what we're looking at here. We've got our Tablo device, which is going to connect to our whole home network. Our antenna, which of course is going to pick up all of our local channels. Our coax cable, that's what connects the Tablo device to our antenna. Ethernet cable, if we want to make sure that we connect the Tablo device directly to our router. And of course, our power cable. Do we have any questions?
No.
All right, next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and grab basically our startup guide. And on the front here is going to be a QR code. Can I use one of your phones? Okay, so with Lily, you're going to go ahead and use your camera app, and we're going to scan that, and it's going to take you to our Tablo TV app. Once we download that, we're going to go ahead and basically get it all set up. The next thing, of course, is going to be walking step by step. What we already see inside the app here is it's going to tell us now to find the most optimal place to put the antenna. All right, this is it in all of its glory. So compact, easy to put together. So the next thing is we're gonna go ahead and grab this and of course our power cable and walk over to the window that it told us to set it up in. All right, let's do it. We're at the location that the app told us to put it, and that's where it points to those broadcast towers. So we're gonna go ahead and get it set up.
So before you do that,
okay,
we're eventually gonna be changing our windows. Is this something that is permanent, or are we gonna be able to remove it and put it on the new windows?
Great question. So that's what's nice about this. There's no need for a drill. You don't have to put any holes in the wall. All you need are the 2 3M sticky tapes that are in the back right here, and then you just go ahead and stick it onto this window. So once you go replace these existing windows for the new ones, you then do the same exact process for the setup again. All right, so let's go ahead and put it right up here on the window. Using that little adhesive tape, we just stick it right here, and now you've got your antenna set up exactly where it's gonna live. When we wanna clean up this cord, it also comes with these little cord clips so we can feed this cord and hide it away, make it look even cleaner. Okay, so we've finished what we would call our, hardware setup. Next thing we're gonna do is our software setup, which is gonna be finishing on the app. So we kind of started on your phone, so we'll finish doing that on your phone right now. Okay, so now we've got it all set up. The next thing we want to do is we want to actually get this connected to our Tablo device, and then the Tablo device hooked up to your home Wi-Fi network. So that's what we're going to do now. So hardware's already set up. Next thing we do is we're going to connect to the Tablo device. And there we go. Then after that, we're gonna now connect the Tablo device to our whole home network, our Wi-Fi. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna scan the channels. We're gonna find what channels are gonna be available in our area. So we'll hit scan. Now, as it's scanning through, we can already start to see some of them pop in. Our local channels, PBS, boom. 105 channels for you for free that you're not even paying for, all over the airways.
Now, how many devices can we watch these channels on?
Yeah, so that's the great part about having Tablo is since it's connected to your Wi-Fi, you can now watch on your phone, on your Roku stick, on your living room television, the Fire Stick in your bedroom, and of course, even with Zane, he can be watching on his iPad, all on those different devices.
Now, we pay for several subscriptions. Do we have to pay for this one?
Yeah, great question too, because I heard that you are all streamers, meaning you pay enough for all of your other streaming services.
Yes.
You don't have to sign up for a contract. There's no monthly fees. There's no subscriptions. You get all of this for free. So what we like to say at Tablo is you pay once, you watch forever.
So one of the things I noticed at my brother-in-law's house was he paused the game in mid-live.
Yeah, well, I think that was one of the things that caught your eye to begin with, right? That's the beauty of having Tablo TV is that you can pause live TV, you can record live TV, you can rewind live TV. So if you want to just pause and then come back, or if you decide, you know what, we just want to record, you can record up to 50 plus hours of video right there on your Tablo device.
That's a good option.
Okay, now I want to show you how to navigate the app, because the app's going to live on your phone, on your tablets, on your TV, on your Roku or Fire Stick. It's a whole experience. So let's go check it out right now. All right, you're ready for the live TV experience with Tablo. My last parting gift to you is a quick navigation of the whole entire experience of Tablo TV. You have your home guide, which is gonna show you everything that you want right here, basically all of your live upcoming sports, maybe some upcoming network premieres. You're gonna be able to explore all of this on your own. You even have your live program guide, but I can't help you with the next part, which is figuring out what to watch. So I'm gonna pass the torch off to you. Mao with the power. It's been a pleasure, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
Mrs. Lily, it's been very nice to meet you as well. Good luck. I'll see you guys at another time.
Football?
No, how about you record your football and I watch my crime show?
Are you looking to enhance your TV viewing experience with Tablo's convenient and affordable Tablo Total system? Visit tablotv.com to get yours today. Tablo. Pay once, watch forever.